Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast for December 25th, 2025. Bitcoin sits squarely in the holiday spotlight, but not in the way some traders hoped. Today, we'll break down why the market has been so lackluster, the surge in crypto mergers and acquisitions, and new global regulatory headlines you shouldn't miss. First up, Bitcoin has struggled to break out of its recent $85,000 to $90,000 range all December. Hexed by a hefty year-end options expiry, price action has stayed muted, even as U.S. stocks and gold push to new heights. Over $27 billion worth of Bitcoin options contracts are set to expire this week. With the majority of open interest on upside calls, there's potential for a post-expiry pop, but many traders remain cautious. If the max pain point holds near 96,000, as options theory suggests, bulls may get a belated Christmas present. Why is Bitcoin lagging despite generally bullish fundamentals? Analysts point to four main factors. Over the past months, old-school Bitcoin holders have been cashing out around the psychological $100,000 mark, adding to supply pressure. Market participants are also still trapped in the traditional four-year cycle, a self-fulfilling prophecy where traders try to front-run expected price moves around the halving. Add to this October's massive $19 billion liquidation event, which left a lasting dent in market liquidity as big players scaled back risk. Despite these hurdles, analysts remain long-term bullish, arguing that the debt-fueled, fiat currency system is only driving more interest in Bitcoin's unique scarcity. Meanwhile, the business of crypto is booming behind the scenes. The sector closed out 2025 with a record $8.6 billion in mergers and acquisitions. Regulatory clarity, especially the Genius Act from the current U.S. administration and Europe's MiCA framework, has spurred a wave of strategic deals. Major highlights include Coinbase's record-breaking $2.9 billion acquisition of Deribit and Ripple's billion-dollar entry into global crypto trading infrastructure. Much of this M&A rush is about speed. Large players are snapping up licensed firms to quickly expand into new markets as compliance demands intensify worldwide. On the regulation front, Hong Kong has doubled down on its ambitions to be a digital asset hub. This week, they've finalized licensing requirements for crypto custody and dealer services, expanding on earlier stablecoin and tokenization frameworks. Hong Kong aims to create a comprehensive, trusted ecosystem for crypto market participants, and its regulators are now soliciting feedback to bring advisory and management services under this regime. The message to global investors is clear: licensed, compliant platforms are increasingly pivotal in the next stage of crypto adoption. Let's recap. Bitcoin is range-bound ahead of a critical options expiry. Market pressure from veteran sellers and cycle narratives lingers, but institutional investment and global regulatory progress signal real momentum beneath the surface. Don't miss tomorrow's show for analysis as options settle and new data hits the market. Subscribe to Bitcoin Crypto Daily News, and for the latest, visit our show page at silklogic.ai/2025/12/25. Stay informed and stay ahead with us.